Hey, what's up YouTube? TreeMuggs here. So tomorrow is James's last day with us at Conservatory. He is leaving to go out west. He's got a tree job out in BC. So I'm happy for him. He's been here for 2.5 years and he's learned a lot. He's come a long way, you know. He didn't know anything about tree work or anything when he started, so he's a good climber. It's really exciting to see his progress. So with this transition, it's got me thinking a lot about educated climber and what it represents and what it is and why it exists and who it's for, right? So, you know, over the past 2.5 years, educated climber, I made it about my apprentice James, right? It's about me training my apprentice James. So obviously now that he's leaving, you know, I've been thinking, you know, it's a lot has changed, right? So I just wanted to talk directly to you guys and just tell you how I view educated climber and what I see and who it's for and who it's not for, just so we can all be on the same page. So to me, educated climber is a community. It's a movement of like-minded people. It's certainly not about me. You know, I'm just a regular tree guy, a bit nerdier than most probably, but I'm just a regular guy. I'm not some great climber. I'm not a know-it-all. You know, I'm learning stuff every single day. Honestly, I'm just I try to produce content that can be useful by the greater community of arborists. So educated climber isn't about me. It's you know, it's a community of people who are just really love the craft of tree work. You know what I mean? To people like us, it's not just a paycheck, right? We're obsessed with trees and tree work. Like we're the kind of people who will do tree work all day long, and then when we get home, we'll watch tree work on YouTube. You know what I mean? It's that obsession with the craft of the work itself. We love the process of the work itself, not just the end result and the paycheck. You know what I mean? So that's how I see it. I would like to think of us as progressive type people, intellectually curious. You know, we're constantly playing around with new and better ways of getting things done and making our jobs faster and easier and safer and more efficient. You know what I mean? So, you know, Seth Godin has this saying that he always uses: people like us do things like this, right? It's in his book called Tribes, and it's a book that I read a couple years ago, and it blew my mind, and it really helped me set the framework for educated climbers. So that is how I see this community, and that's who it's for. You know what I mean? It's for people who are obsessed with the craft and the process of tree work. And who it's not for, obviously, it's for people who already think they know everything. You know what I mean? It's not for the judgmental people and they're on social media. Trust me. You know, people who will see one little 10-second clip of tree work and they'll be like, "Why are you doing it that way? That's stupid. You should have done this." And it's just like, come on. Don't judge. Like, you don't know what was going on in that situation. You know what I mean? That stuff drives me nuts. That is not this kind of community. We're good, open-minded, constructive people who just want to see the whole community and the whole trade just going up and getting better all the time. You know what I mean? And that's what it means to me to be an educated climber, right? So this is what I've been thinking about. I would love to hear directly from you guys. I would love to establish a Q&A. I do want to apologize. I have not been good over the past 6 weeks probably of answering questions on YouTube. I haven't done a good job at all, and I need to go back through and get caught up on all the questions. But I would like to establish more of a back and forth and a Q&A type thing. I would like to talk directly to you guys, and I would love to know what you guys think of Educated Climber and what has gotten us to this point, and then where we're headed, and where you see it heading, and kind of what you would like to see me cover in terms of material. I mean, every single day there's like 100 ideas for YouTube videos floating around in my head, and I have a whole series on Throwline that I'm working on right now, and it just never ends. So, and it's completely overwhelming for me, right? So, but I would love to hear directly from you guys, and just let me know what you think. Hit me up in the comments. And I just want to thank you guys so much for all of the comments and shares and support, and all the criticism as well. It's, you know, it all adds up, and it all helps, you know, and I'm just very appreciative of it all. So thank you guys so much, and yeah, I hope this makes sense, and you know, let me know. And you guys can email me too if email works better. Email me directly at patrick@educatedclimber.com. That's a good way to get in touch with me as well. Or even Instagram. You can DM me on Instagram or whatever. So, all right, so let me know what you think. Yeah, I hope this makes sense. So until next time, climb high, work smart, and read more. TreeMuggs out.